Myntri rangba Khubor Konrad ke sangma haga arpulai tarik menaitung ulai thu bo Myntri ke Civil Aviation ke Sorkar India kinja rapu Ram Mohanan Naidu ulakular Hadien ke Independence Day khat santarik menailar Ynwan Jngoh ikikat Liengsuiñ ke Khuborjylla. Yakini ke jingkular ulai Hadien ke jingi kendu Jngoh yo Myntri rangba Khuborjylla haga arpui tarik mentau benai hanong ba Delhi. Myntri rangba ula kerpat nak Sorkar India ban kentiu bat penhek syushu ikikat Liengsuiñ ke Meghalaya.
In my visit to Delhi, I also had the opportunity to meet the Honorable Minister for Civil Aviation, including the officials of the Civil Aviation Ministry, and different agendas related to the sector were discussed. The first was regarding the expansion of the runway in Umroi Airport, and we are very happy to inform you that things are moving in the right direction. The tender has been completed, the work has been allotted, and we expect that within a few weeks' time, the actual physical work also for the extension of the runway will start. The Honorable Minister is intending to make a program post the 15th of August to Shillong to come and monitor and look at the entire work progress himself. So we do expect that the expansion work will take place at a very quick pace. At the same time, we had discussed regarding the Pdeng Airport in Garo Hills, and the Honorable Minister has informed us that under the new scheme of the Aviation Ministry, the Pdeng Airport also will be taken up under the expansion mode, and Government of India itself, the Aviation Ministry, will be investing over 60 crores to improve the infrastructure there so that the flights can land, and also that the Government of India, the Civil Aviation Ministry, is talking to different operators to start operating smaller 19-seater Dornier aircrafts in the Pdeng Airport. So this was again a very positive news, and I expect that this also will show results very fast. We have been waiting for this quite some time, but because of many challenges that have been there in the past, a lot of work had to be done, but I am happy to see that finally we are in the right direction, and I expect that the work in Pdeng Airport also, once the necessary paperwork is done, the Pdeng Airport work also will start. And once again, I thank Honorable Minister for his concerns. The third agenda that we had raised was regarding additional helipads and heliports to be made in the state of Meghalaya. The ministry is very keen to ensure that more connectivity through helicopters and other forms of aviation will be also expanded in Meghalaya state and the northeast as a whole. So the Government of India has an intention to set up more heliports in the northeast. So based on that, we have put up proposal for 9 locations, and the ministry has agreed to give 3 locations immediately. So we are finalizing the details of those 3 locations. Once the ministry agrees and approves those 3 locations, we will be announcing that. As I said, the Honorable Minister will be coming to Meghalaya post August 15th, and he intends to also share those locations and also announce those locations during his visit to Meghalaya post August 15th.